everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet me again with me, Devi Nurmalasari. Welcome back to YouTube channel. I have been missing you so much, guys. I hope you're always safe and healthy, yes. So, in this video, I will give you a facial treatment tutorial at home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, okay? First, I use micellar water. Put a little on the cotton, and then clean the eyes, lips, and face. Like this. Then I use a scrub of fresh skin apricot scrub from Stives. Put on the blackheads. And rotate slowly. Okay? Like this. Fresh.
Yes, please. Then rinse using water.
Wait. Hi, I'm back, guys. I finished rinsing it with water and dry with a tissue. Okay, next I apply a milk cleanser. Put it and spread it all over the face. Okay. Next, a toner. Of course, flatten and tap all over the face. Okay? Like this.
Wait for it today.
Wear mask. I use Emina pomegranate. Okay? Let's stand 5 to 20 minutes. Okay? It's so cool and fresh.
She was only 17 when Pretty Sir Man came offering that all her dreams would come true. He said, "Come here, sweetie, I can
Okay,
make
guys,
you a star. I
alright.
just wanna
That's
see you
all about my
flourish, and I know
skincare
you make
routine.
it far."
Thank
What
you
she
for
couldn't see
watching. See you.
was he was in it for the money.